Tag, what does Katie have? She's Carrot. Tag. Are you offering Tag a carrot? See if Tag wants the carrot.
Give him his carrot.
Give him his carrot. Tag, there's your carrot.
Listen to her.
Tag's not buying it anymore.
Do you hear her? She's going.
Oh.
Can I get in the first one?
You want to give it to Tag? You want to give it to Tag? No? Poor buddy. Here, let me give it to Tag. Can I give it to Tag? Here, watch. Here, Tag. Good boy! Good boy! Say yay, Katie! Yay, Tag has it! Yeah!